Hey everyone, welcome to another series of our bariatric cooking classes. Today, I'm going to show you how to make bariatric fudge brownies. These are decadent, very simple, very easy to make. Let me show you how it's done. First, we're going to put all the ingredients in a blender. I have 1 can of black beans, which I've previously rinsed, 3 whole eggs, a 1/4 cup of unsweet cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I wasn't able to show you the footage there, but I added 2 tablespoons and 2 teaspoons of brown sugar Splenda and also 1 teaspoon of instant coffee. The coffee just makes the chocolate flavor more intense, so I highly recommend it. You really don't taste the coffee. Then we just blend it until it's this nice, smooth, creamy consistency. We want to make sure that there's no lumps, no pieces of actual black bean. So I like to scrape the edges and the bottom just to make sure and give it another swirl. And then honestly, preferably you use a square 8 by 8 inch pan, but this is, I thought I had an 8 by 8 inch pan, but this is what I had, and it still worked. This is a 9-inch round pan. Just spread the mixture evenly throughout the entire pan. As you saw, I put some non-stick cooking spray in the base just to prevent it from sticking, and then spread 1/2 cup of dark chocolate chips all around. Then we bake it for 30 minutes in an oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I'm just cutting the brownies in several pieces. I actually cut this into 16 individual servings, which is a perfect serving size for 1 person. You see how simple that was? And black beans being the secret ingredient, no one will tell. I promise you that. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.